I just have always loved the simplicity. It's like just clean lines.
Yeah, no
and it's not, we're not flashy kind of people. It's just like utilitarian, and yet it's beautiful, right? I mean, I think that that's really all those things. We just weren't sure that we'd be able to afford it, honestly. We were just like, oh, are we going to even be able to get Kerf? Are we going to have to go with something else?
You can help them design it. They don't have to come with a specific idea, just maybe some problem that you can help solve.
That in hindsight, Jean would have made everything a pull-out drawer.
Oh my gosh, I was going to say that. You see that post during construction, it was like, oh yeah, it's a load-bearing wall.
And we were so mad that it was like we weren't going to have this open thing all the way, and now we just kind of think that's so cool. Like, isn't that just awesome?
I don't have to climb on counters, like I don't have to, like, especially as I age, I'm appreciating not having to climb on counters. Well, because I'm short.